So paano ba mag-sign up sa KUMU, the Pinoy Livestream Game Show and Community? First, open muna natin yung KUMU na apps. Ayan. Tapos may nakalagay dito na sign up at login. So dahil wala pa tayong account sa KUMU, mag-sign up ko na tayo. So tap lang natin yung sign up. So ito na yung makikita natin. So may mga ways para maka-sign up. Either type your phone number or create an account using Facebook and Google. So, magsa-sign up tayo with Facebook. Tap lang natin. So, tap natin yung yes, I agree. KUMU is requesting access to your name and profile picture, email address, and friend list. So, tap lang natin yung continue as your name sa Facebook or yung account nyo. And then, tatanong na sila sa edad nyo for your security. So, how old are you? So, select age range tayo. Select lang natin yung edad natin. So, tell us your interest. Tap lang natin yung mga may interest tayo or mga content. I choose food. And then, how do you identify? So, choose your gender. So, I am a female. So, I tap female. Pwede rin tap nyo yung neutral or rather not say. Tap lang din natin yung next. So, what is your username? So, tap lang natin yung username natin. Then, next. Pwede rin, skip muna natin yon. Pwede rin itap nyo yung skip muna. Then, perfect. Everything is ready. Let's go. So, tap natin yung let's go. Then, ito yung lalabas. Hi, welcome to KUMU. In KUMU, it's all about earning and giving. You need coins to send gifts. So, naka-receive tayo ng 60 coins. And then, nakalagay dito, tap natin yung gift sa baba. So, successful tayo nakagawa ng account sa KUMU. And the best thing is, pwede na tayong makaka-livestream and makaka-earn pa tayo. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. At kung may mga tanong pa kayo, please comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.